Hi there, it's Simon from Upsell.com, and in this guide, we'll learn how to create and manage forms on our Shopify store. Forms bridge the gap between merchant and customer to become a powerful means of collecting information essential to understanding customer preferences and needs, reducing friction and elevating satisfaction throughout our customer's lifecycle. Creating and managing a form is done using a form widget. Like all other Upsell widgets, the content and functionality is highly customizable. But before we begin, it's important to remember that form widgets can currently only be used on the checkout, thank you, and order status pages. So, from the Upsell app dashboard, we'll access the flow builder. Our flow, as always, begins with the selected page to which we associate a condition that triggers the appearance of a slot that contains the required widget on our page. So we'll start by selecting any one of the pages that the form widget can be used on. For this page, we'll define our condition. To learn more about how conditions work, we can always click the link here to the help desk. Now, we could use the default condition set to anyone viewing this page, but I've set up a condition here to be triggered by customers with 3 or more orders and who are also subscribers. With our condition selected, we'll click on Create a Slot to add a slot. And if you want to learn more about creating and placing slots, we can always click on the link here to the help desk. We'll select the type of slot that we want to use. We're going to click Start from Scratch, entering the widget editor. The form widget isn't on the quick access menu in the screen center here, so we'll click on the Add Widget button in the bottom left corner to access our widget library, and select Create New Form to add a widget in which we will create our new form. If we'd like to learn more about the widget editor, we can click the Help button over here. Our fresh form widget only contains a Submit button, essentially the most important component of this widget. Clicking on it sends the results to a database within the app, which we can always access at any time and even export the data collected in it. We'll design our form by adding blocks into the widget, customizing them to achieve our goals, and really utilize the potential of this widget's functionality. If we want to learn more about creating and customizing blocks in Upsell, click the Help button here or the link in the Help Desk article. Now, what I like to do is make a record of returning clients' shoe sizes, which would help me with my inventory and help make sure that I'm upselling the products that are available in their size. We'll name our new form, clicking on the form widget at the top of the hierarchy on the left, and in the properties, enter the name, and because it's better to be saved than sorry, we'll click Save. Next, we'll click on Add Block here in the sidebar, select a text box, and move it up above the Submit button, and then go to the properties and add a form question. Next, we'll click on Add Block again in the sidebar, select the multiple choice block, and move it up above the Submit button. In the properties, we'll go to the Configure section, go to Type, and select the type of answer display. Personally, I prefer using a drop-down because it's cleaner and it takes up less space. We'll add a label to the drop-down. Now, further down, we can use this checkbox to define whether answering this form is mandatory or voluntary. I don't want to be too pushy, so I'm going to leave this unchecked. Then we'll go into the answer section and add our answer options. In the data section, we can decide whether to save this data as customer relevant or store relevant data, or both, which just happens to suit the purpose of this particular form. Then we'll change the label to something more suited for our purpose and click Save. Now that our widget has everything we need, it's in its slot, we can preview it by clicking on the close icon and going back to the Shopify dashboard. And under the online store, we'll select Themes, and in the workspace, we'll click Edit Themes. Use the drop-down page selector in the menu bar at the top to select the Checkouts and Customer Accounts section. And once there, we'll use the same menu again to select the Thank You page, where we can now see our form widget, where we can change its position on the page and click to go into edit it here or via the flow builder whenever we need to. To review the data collected from this form, we'll close this, go back to the Shopify dashboard, where we'll go into the Upsell dashboard, and clicking on the Upsell app option, we have the 3 sections of our dashboard, the last of which is Forms. Clicking on this reveals our Forms dashboard, where we can review the data collected by clicking on a form name. Here we also have options to export the data to a CSV file, even a shortcut to the widget editor to edit that form if we want to make some corrections. Clicking the back arrow, we can see that we also have other useful actions available on the table itself through the menu icon at the end of every row. If you need more help on this topic, please let us know in the comments. Our goal is to help you help yourself generate better business for your store and smooth, welcoming experiences for your customers. And if you're already using Upsell, we would genuinely appreciate your review on the Shopify App Store. Meanwhile, upsell, upwards, persevere, and succeed, and have a great time doing it.